In this video, I am going to show you different instruments which are required for the subject engineering graphics. So let me start with the first and most important instrument, which is called as mini drafter. So this is a mini drafter. Later on I will show you how to make use of this mini drafter. Second instrument used is called as set square. As we see, there are two set squares. So this is one set square which has got this angle as 90 degree and remaining two angles, this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 30 degree. So accordingly this is called as 30-60 degree set square. We have another set square and this set square is called as 45 degree set square. It has got this angle as 90 degree and these two angles, this angle and this angle, they are 45 degree each. Then we have protractor. This is a protractor which is used for measurement of angle. You already have used during your school days. This is a larger size protractor which I am just showing now. So this protractor is used along with a set square. We can see it has got set square and protractor also. So I recommend you use this one because it can be used as a scale also if required. This is a smaller scale of 15 centimeter length, and we can even use steel rule or steel scale of length 15 centimeter, and this is a scale steel rule of 30 centimeter length. For both the scales there is another very good option which is called as roll and draw. This is an instrument which is called as roll and draw, and it is very useful for engineering drawing because we have to draw number of parallel lines in engineering drawing. So whenever we have to draw number of parallel lines, we can just go on moving this roll and draw, and by just moving it we can draw number of parallel lines like this. So as we see here, it has got a roller here. So this roller rolls on the sheet and this scale can be moved as we move the roller. So this is very important instrument, and I recommend you to have a smaller scale and this roll and draw instrument. Then we require compass. Everyone might have used compass during your school days. So this is a compass required, and along with compass we require pencil. So this is a pencil. As we see here, this pencil is of HB grade, but there can be H grade pencils also. There are various types of grades. Later on we will study various types of grades of the pencils. So to begin with, we can use H grade pencil because there may be number of mistakes, and if we erase the drawing then the sheet becomes black. So to avoid that, initially we can use H pencil, and later on once we practice well, then we can go for HB pencil. There is an alternative to this HB pencil, which is this 0.5 mm lead pencil. As we see here, it has got a lead of 0.5 mm. So this lead pencil can also be used instead of such lead HB pencil. For fixing sheet to the drawing board, we require such clips. I'll show you how to make use of these clips for fixing the drawing board. So there is one set of 4 clips which we can directly purchase. For drawing very small circles, or I can say from 1 to 3 mm radii, circles can be drawn with the help of this pro circle. Very small circles can be drawn. For larger circles, we can of course use a compass. In the chapter called as engineering curves, we will have to join many points using smooth curve, and in that case we can use such a French curve. So this is a French curve which can be used for connecting number of points by using required radius. These are the lead boxes. So for 0.5 mm pencil we need to have such lead once it gets exhausted. Then of course the most important, I should say, is an eraser, because initially we need to do a lot of practice, and in that case whenever we go wrong we need to erase the drawing. This is one drawing sheet which is fixed to the drawing board. As we see, this is a drawing board here below the sheet. At home you can even go for a table and we can fix the sheet to the table. Now here we see, in case of drawing sheet, there is a title block. This is called as title block. Now it consists of the sheet when it was started, when it was completed, the date and signature of the concerned staff. Here we can put your name, then roll number, then class, and here we can write the scale. Here we can write the title of the sheet, what is the title of the sheet, and here we can write the drawing number. And here is the college name, and this particular sheet is generally standard. This particular block is generally kept always at the right bottom corner of the sheet. So as already shown, this is A2 size drawing sheet. There are various types of sizes of the sheets, right from A0 to A4. We generally use A4 size for printing, and this is somewhat intermediate size. This is a mini drafter. As we see, it has got such 2 scales which are at 90 degree with respect to each other. We can tighten this scale using this knob or screw, Then this is a 2-bar mechanism as we see here, and this part can be fixed to the table. So as I am showing you right now, I can fix up this part to the drawing table. Once it is fixed, and we can fix up the sheet to the table. So by using clips, one clip here, one at this corner, and even one here. So this is the way clips can be fitted. To start with, we can align this scale of the drafter with this margin line, and now as I move this scale along the sheet, as we see here, it moves parallel. So if I draw a number of lines, all the lines will be parallel to each other. So if I go on drawing number of lines, even if I go on moving it like this, all the lines drawn here will be parallel to each other. See, if I draw lines here, like one line here, other line here, then line here, this is the way you will find that all lines drawn will be parallel to each other and vertical. And if I draw using this particular scale, then all the lines drawn will be parallel but horizontal. If I want to draw any line at certain angle, then there is one protractor given here. As we see here, angle can be measured here also using this protractor. So we can rotate this at required angle, then fix up there, and then with the help of this scale we can draw lines at certain angle. So this is the way we can use even mini drafter also. I hope you understood all the instruments. I recommend you to purchase all these instruments for the subject of engineering graphics, the list of which is already provided in the description below. Thank you.